Hi everyone, my name is Sky. I am the founder of Qtures, the new platform for the creative process. And in this demo, I'm going to give you a quick overview of what the current prototype can do, what are some of the planned features, and what's on the longer term roadmap. So let's dive right into it. It's quite simple actually. Right now we have only 4 to 5 pages that you need to navigate between. The first is the Expo page. This is where all public projects show up and act as a huge source of inspiration. Then next we go one level deeper. This is when we enter someone's mind. This is where we see the ideas and the thinking behind one specific exploration project. You can see it as a creative journal. Right now it's a little limited, but eventually this becomes really flexible in how you want to view it and how you want to add things. The next page is My Explorations. This is where we create a shell project, and once we do that, we can start adding entries to it. And entries are like the pages of a journal. You can write, add images, loose thoughts, or voice memos. See it as your creative lab, free to experiment with any kinds of media. Eventually, exploration should become really flexible spaces with customizable layouts, for example, using blocks or interactive networks. The idea is that we can really peek into someone's brain, and if you like it, tip the process or even team up or contribute to the idea. And then there is the profile page. I will eventually split this up in a financial and an account part, but right now it's all on one page. And here you'll find some simple steps to get started. You can invite your friends to keep access to beta features for a little bit longer. And this is also the place where you can connect your Stripe account to safely get paid directly to your bank account when someone wants to tip or sponsor your exploration. Tip jars will be available for anyone who has their Stripe set up, but sponsorship can be enabled if you want to kickstart an exclusive idea. And this gives you the option to explore behind a paywall. When someone sponsors you, they can get either 24-hour access to see what you've been working on so far, or monthly access to follow along your journey a little longer. Also on the profile page, you can get in touch if you have any questions or you need help. And maybe even more important, this is where you can leave feedback and suggestions or vote for things that others have already shared. That's really going to help shape the direction of the platform and what to prioritize next. So the roadmap for now is first to add more features to entries so that you have more ways to capture what comes to mind. But we've also really listened closely to the early feedback and understand that something really important is still missing, which is interaction. Being able to contribute to each other's ideas, to give and receive feedback, and to really connect with other creators, that's something that really stood out in the feedback and we want to build next. And next to that, of course, we need to work on notifications so you can actually stay up to date with what's happening. In the long run, this will grow into a big community space where we can collaborate and remix ideas and explore meaningful topics through challenges. It will also be a space where you can set creative goals for yourself and track your progress. Any suggestions or feedback that I can get at this early stage will really help push things into the right direction based on what the creative community actually needs.